Hey everyone, Chris here from Tire Supply Network to give you guys a little update on what's been going on with our house brand Plus Auto. But just because it's our house brand doesn't mean that we're just slapping our name on anything and shipping it out the door. We're taking your guys' advice, opinions, and direction in developing new products. And that's exactly how we ended up with these two in front of me. Let's dive into these. You guys asked for it, we delivered 11-pound and a quarter-ounce tape weights. Same great tape weights you expect to find in the regular Plus Auto box, but in a nice, convenient, easy dispensing roll. Black and white box here, you got a half-ounce silver steel tape weight. And in the red and white box, you have the quarter-ounce silver steel tape weights. 11.25 pounds and 11.25 pounds. 360 pieces, 720 pieces total. So Plus Auto saw a need in the truck tire industry for a 2-ounce tape weight. So that's exactly what we developed. A 2-ounce black tape weight and a 2-ounce silver tape weight. Both the black and the silver 2-ounce tape weights have all the great features and benefits that you come to expect in a Plus Auto tape weight. Superior corrosion resistance, superior adhesive, all wrapped up into a big package. But is it really that big? Well, it's got the same footprint as the 1-ounce tape weight, but it's twice as tall. Because it's twice as tall, it obviously weighs twice as much. And because it weighs twice as much, that means you're not going through twice as many 1-ounce tape weights, making a 2-ounce tape weight. Got them right here in front of you. So that's the latest and greatest from Tire Supply Network and Plus Auto, but we're always launching new products, so make sure to keep up with us with our social media links in the description. I'm Chris, and thank you so much for watching.